Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satil here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix the Microsoft Store error code 0x00000190 in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the Start menu and type CMD and right click and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on Yes, and in this new window, type SEFC space / scan no and hit enter. Beginning the system scan. This process will take some time. Can be patient. This process depends of your power of computer, processor, RAM memory, or graphics card. Can be patient. Verification 61 complete. This time depend of your internet connection. And when the process is ending, click on close, and to apply the change, restart your computer. Go to the Start menu, select the power off button and click on restart. Login in your desktop. And this is all. Your Microsoft Store has been fixed. The problem is fixed, and you can try open drop your favorite application. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.